Hi, I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY, formerly Epoxy Coat. And here today we're going to be showing you the Paver coat system. So what is Paver coat? Paver coat is a moisture-cured polyaspartic, which is a UV-stable, high abrasion resistant sealer for your concrete, brick pavers, or bricks, whether it be horizontal or vertical. It comes in a 1 gallon container. There's no mixing. All you do is open it up, put it in a pump sprayer, and spray it on. It dries quite quickly, and it has an incredibly hard finish. You should expect 5 times the durability of a normal, cheaper water-based sealer. So Paver coat is really more of a long-lasting sealer. So if you need a clear sealer over stone, brick, or concrete, this is your product, Paver coat. Thank you. I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY. Thank you so much.